Okay, my cameraman very graciously reminded me that I wanted to show about breaking the edges. Now, when we file this, and you'll see the chips here, and then I'll bring this back up into view. When you file this, you're going to get a burr. Now, if you're fitting this block into something else, that burr is going to affect you. It's also just plain sharp. It's like a little razor out there, and you don't want to cut yourself or cut your buddy. So we need to take that off. Again, I'm just going to take my fine file. I'm not going to use this coarse file. That's way overkill. I'm going to hold like, now this is going to be the only time I sit down when I file. You notice when I was filing up here, I was standing up. You need to stand when you're filing. Don't sit down. You can't control it as well. I'm just going to very gently rub this across here like this. Remember, shear cut. I'm coming at an angle at a 45 degree. It's going to be a little tougher here. I'm going to hold it up against me. Not fast and furious, nice and slow. I want a uniform chamfer all the way around. I want it to look like it's a machine made. Then I'm going to come over here, I'm going to do these edges. I like everything the same. I'm OCD on this stuff. It's just the way I'm wired. I'm sorry, but that's the way it is. We'll deburr this end down here. Now you can do this prior to putting it in here and filing. I just happen to do it afterwards. The order doesn't matter. It needs to be done. And that concludes the video on deburring a piece.